How to make money on people per hour as a fitness trainer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can list or where you can create a profile where you list your skills in order to sell them or in order to get hired for doing a job or for a project or just for a gig or something like that where you get paid. So for example, if you are a fitness trainer, let's search here for a fitness trainer and let's click on the search button in here. Click on search for freelancers and here enter fitness trainer and we will see all of the freelancers that are doing this skill. So here this is all of the ones that are doing this skill. So let's check all of the offers. So here those are all of the fitness trainers as you can see, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one for your fitness training business. So here let's go back to the first page and click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you will proceed to create your account and here make sure to join as a freelancer and click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up, and for me I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. And then click on login, and here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here click on apply now. So here complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here drop your profile picture. It can either be a picture of your face or it can be a logo or something like that. Then you proceed to add in your job title. So for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just enter a fitness trainer. And then here you enter your skills. The maximum amount of skills you can add is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So here let's go with something like fitness. And let's see what do we have in here. Physical fitness and fitness writing, trainer, training development, leadership training, training writing, online training, hard skills training, first aid, health, time, personal training, and let's go also with online training. I saw it before, this one, online training, and that's it. Then you proceed to add in your description. So in this field you describe yourself to buyers. So guys, what I do personally to get inspiration from my description, I just go to one of these categories and I search for my competitors. I see what are they talking about in their description. I get some ideas from that. I get my inspiration. How are they organizing their description? And then I come back and I enter that in my description as well. So here, for example, let's search for our competitors. And here, let's go to the search. Let's enter our skill, fitness trainer. And here, we search for those fitness trainers. So let's go with this one, for example. We can check his description, get some ideas about how the description should be. So here, this is a very small description. It's good for attracting clients because it's easy to read. I'm experienced in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, know how to use them creatively. I work fast with honesty and offering you unlimited revisions. So feel free to contact me if you want to make any of these. So this is a designer. It's not someone in the fitness business, but these are some good designs. As you can see, some beautiful animations with a good quality. This is some good quality animations, but that's not what we are here for. So let's check another one. Genuine database of UK gym and fitness list. Let's check this one's bio. This is a very long bio, and with these symbols it makes it unprofessional. I don't advise you to add those symbols to your own description. This is very unprofessional. Same thing with these ones as well, and this is a very long description, so make sure to not do something like this. Let's check another one. For example, let's go back to see if you can find something more inspirational. So all of these are about writing. Write a hit, write unique, write 1,000 words. Gym UK email list, email database, write unique, design, write, give your guest, publish. So there is no fitness trainers in the platform, I guess, but that's even better. We will be with no competition. We will be the only ones in business in the platform. So after you're done with your description, with getting some help from the inspiration that we saw before, then you proceed to enter in your location and the languages that you can speak. So here, let's go with English first. English, you can add other languages if you can speak them. For me, French. After that, you proceed to your hourly rate. So here you can either change your currency or you can leave it at that. For me, I'd like to change it, and here you can enter your hourly rate. Let's go for $20 per hour. Then you click on submit application, and that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.